The book opens with Zuri in a state of disbelief, panic-stricken as she stares at her account balance.
One aspect I admire about Arese Ugwu's writing style is the way she
weaves personal finance lessons into an engaging storyline that ensures readers stay interested throughout. This approach makes it particularly appealing for those who may find financial books tedious.
Very distinguished Nigerians have recommended the book on its first few pages, and some examples of their impressions are given below due to time constraints. A
journey through personal finance written from a truly African context, by a gifted young woman who seeks to reposition and redefine how we think about this subject. Agboji Imukad Kon, president of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Zuri's captivating story will keep you turning the page.
You get double value with this book.
An entertaining read and valuable education.
Well done, Arese.
UCHE Pedro, founder of Bella Niger.
An entertaining way to learn about money.
It introduces a new narrative on Africa, specifically African women in the 21st century.
Their perspective, ambitions, journey flaws, and all but wholly theirs.
Alhaji Elniko Dangote, MFRGCON Chairman or CEO Dangote Group.
This book provides insight into some cultural dynamics prevalent in Nigeria and Africa.
From food to societal norms and beliefs to family dynamics, parties are thrown Lagos style. The author ensures each page is informative yet engaging while teaching one.
How best they can achieve financial freedom via learning personal finance.
The plot revolves around Zuri's life as she faces imminent loss of health, joblessness, and homelessness before realizing
that changing her spending habits could lead her towards financial stability, ultimately leading towards happiness, resulting in rapid career advancement within months. Some key takeaways from this book include identifying assets or liabilities or networks,
conquering fears associated with managing finances, tracking expenses effectively,
overcoming debt and setting emergency funds, among others. Budgeting often brings feelings associated with scarcity or suffering, however, budgeting can still allow enjoyment without overspending, which is another lesson taught here, along with expanding networks or family finances or investments, etc.
Lastly, discover your purpose and leverage it for increased profitability. Get your hands on this insightful masterpiece today. After reading the book, I discovered the importance of keeping a money journal. Previously, I struggled to stick to my financial plans despite making them.
However, by incorporating a daily, weekly, or monthly money journal into my routine, I have noticed a significant positive impact on my financial well-being. It's amazing how such a small change can completely transform your finances. Step-by-step guide to keeping a money journal. Do you struggle with keeping track of your finances? A money journal can be the perfect solution to help you stay on top of your spending and saving habits. Here's how to get started. Choose your journal or notebook. The first step is
finding a notebook or journal that you will dedicate solely to your finances. You'll want to make sure it's something you will enjoy writing in and that is easy to carry with you.
Set up your categories. Decide on the categories you want to track, such as income and expenses, bills and savings. You can also include sections for long-term financial goals or a debt repayment plan. Start tracking. Start recording every dollar that comes in and every dollar that goes out. Be sure to include the date, category, and amount spent. Review your entries. Look at your journal on a regular basis. This will help you see where your money is going and help you make necessary adjustments to your spending habits. Make changes. Once you've identified your spending habits, look for ways to make changes and stick to them.
For example, if you notice you're eating out too often, try meal prepping at home instead.
Set goals. Use your journal to help set financial goals and track your progress towards them.
Make sure they are realistic and specific, such as paying off credit card debt or saving for a vacation.
Stay consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to keeping a money journal. Try to record your spending daily or at least weekly to ensure accurate tracking. Keeping a money journal doesn't have to be a daunting task. With a little effort, it can be an excellent tool to help you manage your finances and work towards your financial goals.
Happy journaling.
Ashery's friend Lara wisely pointed out in the book, managing your finances can be made easier by keeping it simple.
A great way to do this is by dividing any income you receive into three categories: expenses, investments, and personal indulgences. The best part, you get to decide what percentage of your income goes towards each category.
For example, you could allocate 20% for investing in your future, another 20% for treating yourself to some well-deserved pampering, and the remaining 60% for everyday expenses. By finding a ratio that works best for you and sticking to it, financial management can become a breeze.
I hope your life was positively influenced. Take care and goodbye for now.